Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the tap tool ready and opening the project you will work on. Make sure the plugin or feature is installed and enabled, then select the clip or region you intend to measure. Set the session tempo and grid to a usable subdivision, for example quarter or eighth notes, and enable a metronome so you can compare. Once done, place your cursor where taps will be recorded and prepare to mark the first beats using clear, consistent taps. Now you perform the tapping itself. Use a steady finger, mouse, or MIDI pad and tap along with the audio while watching the tool register hits. Record several bars to give the algorithm enough data, then stop and examine the timing overlay to see detected beats and offsets. If taps appear jittery, change sensitivity or debounce settings, or switch input source to reduce latency. Make sure to keep your taps consistent so the tool can calculate tempo and grid accurately. Finish by applying the detected tempo to your session or use the new grid to quantize clips for tight timing. Review the mapped beats and manually nudge any misdetected points, or retap short problematic sections to improve accuracy. Make sure to save a version before heavy quantization so you can revert. If the tool repeatedly fails, check audio interface latency, update drivers, and recalibrate input timing. This usually resolves persistent offset and alignment problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.